So check this out. We got the Dell XPS 15 2-in-1 2018. It's the 9575. I'm loving the maglev keyboard. It's nice. I love how the pen attaches. It's quite weird how it takes two little batteries there and then a AAA. But really, I want to talk about the fan noise. It was an instant shocker to me. When it's on battery, everything is fine. Listen, no noise at all. Nothing but the hum of the fridge. But as soon as you plug this thing in, I mean, I'm doing nothing right now. We've got really nothing open. But let's just start doing some minimal browsing. And just any second now, I think you'll find the fans will come on. And they are loud. So we're in power saving mode. Guess we could just put that in the middle. Listen to that. What are you talking about? That is so mad. That is so loud, I would feel a little bit funny using this in a quiet library. I mean, even in a quiet cafe, I'd find that pretty obtrusive. I mean, I'm not doing anything on here apart from a bit of web browsing. What is going on? It's mad. I would have thought I was playing some intensive 3D computer game.